Hey guys, welcome to Digestible Chunks. Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about a video that I sort of didn't like. I had a problem with it. Now, it's not a bad video, and the person who made the video, he's not the problem. The problem is the steps to find it. Now, the video in question is how to square root a number in 3 seconds. It will be somewhere here. The reason I didn't like it is because the steps were a little bit too complicated, and he only shows you a couple of examples, and you don't really know how to do with any other number. So, for example, if you wanted to know the number, if you wanted to know the square root of, let's say, 1,116, you would take that 16, so 6 things that end with 6. So that would be 4, that would be 6. So you either have 4 or 6. Now for 11, things that are less than 11, so it'd be 9. So it'd be 3 times 4, 12. It's less than it, so I think it's 4. So it'd be 34. So you'd get 34. So 34 times 34 is not 116. So, but over that, and you're trying to get as accurate as possible. That was my problem with it. Accuracy, it's not very accurate. You get pretty close, but it's not super accurate. It's complicated, and you get confused pretty fast. I got confused pretty fast, but the second method was extremely easy. So, I'm gonna show you the second method. So, 1,116. If you don't know what the square root is, you would take the previous square root, the one closest to it. And that would be 33, right? So it would be 33. So it would be 1,089. 33 squared is 1,089. So you would get the difference between those two numbers, 1,116 and 1,089. Get the difference, which should be 27. And it would be 33 and then blank 27s. So it would be 27 over the number, so 33. You would take 33 and you would multiply it by 2. That would be your denominator. So it would be 33 and 27 over 66. And you would just, find out what that was if you have a calculator. And you would see that it's 0.40, 33.40. And if you were to square that, if you were to multiply that by itself, you would see that you would be pretty close. Pretty close. Now, that is actually the square root, 33.40. But there's a whole bunch of extra numbers. So it's accurate to the tenths, or to the hundreds. I'd say to the hundreds, but it could also be the tenths. But it's pretty accurate, and it's a lot better than the first video. That's my problem with it. The first one, it's complicated, not very accurate, and you can only do it with smaller. You can only do it with bigger numbers. You can't really do it with smaller numbers. The second method, you could do it with any number, as long as you know the previous square root, which you probably won't. But there's still ways around it. So it's a lot easier, and I like it a little bit better. So hope you enjoyed it. See you guys next time.